So this is just going to be a quick video, hopefully. This is my parents' 2010 Mazda 6. I don't know what trim, but my car's down, which will show up in another video. But when I had the air on, I noticed fairly low flow, and I have some mild allergies, and it was basically making my eyes water. So I figured I'd go ahead and check the cabin air filter, and I'll be honest, I've already been partially in here, but I figured I'd do a quick demo. So it's behind the glove box. So you just open the glove box. You can see over on the sides there's these little tabs. You literally just push in on the sides of the glove box. Let's see if I can get one. So I'll try to do it quick. Just squeeze it. Oh, that's why it was all the way out. So they're like hook shaped. So if you push in a little bit, you can just bring them right out. And you basically just squeeze with your hands. On the bottom, there's these hooks. They literally just pull straight up and away. And then you have your cabin air filter box. Do not remove this with the blower in operation. I agree with that, because if it's dirty, you're gonna get shit everywhere. So there's a bunch of tabs. You just pull them off, and you can see this is where I left. I haven't actually looked at it. I just know it's bad. So you pull a tab here, and there's the reveal. Then there's a tab up here, a tab down there, and a tab over there. I'm gonna go grab my shop vac. I guess it's not quite as bad as I thought it would be. I thought it would be laid on nice and thick, but I'll go grab the shop vac, suction some of it off, and then pull it out. The vacuum's not doing a very good job getting it out, and like I said, it's not real bad, but it's pretty bad. Well, maybe I will change my mind so it's scraping it right off the top. But generally, I try to blow it off. This is not the worst cabin air filter I've seen. That's pretty bad. So this is what I didn't vacuum out. That's just what came out on the blower. Look how full these pleats are. My panel under the blower motor, basically you just have these tabs here, and it seems like you push on them. Yeah. So just push on them, and they unlatch from those holes. You have locator pins, and then it pulls straight out. These go into some hooks back there. Looks like the blower motor is held in with probably 3 Phillips heads, right? Oh. This is where the video might end. So I don't have my Torx drivers. I was so proud of them, making it so easy to get in here. Yeah, I don't have my I don't think I have my Torx set with me. So maybe I'll stop in to work. I'll see if I can get this stuff out with the vacuum. I might use a hose or something. I can squish down and get right in there. That's how you do it without removing your blower motor when you get a bunch of crap down there. I'll come back when I'm installing the new filter. I finally got the part for my parents' cabin air filter. A cheap Napa one. It's a Pro Select 224148. Bought a cheap one because they obviously don't keep up on it. On it there's a little arrow pointing for airflow. Airflow's down. So you just, now that this is clean, just slides right in there. You take your cover, make sure the writing's right side up. Press hard, latch all the clips. Then, like I said, the glove box sits on these two little hooks. Go right on here. Literally just push it on there, then I don't think the lower left one's on. Let's see. Oh, the lower, sometimes you gotta give it a good old meat hammer. All right. That's it. That's replacing the cabin air filter in a Mazda 6. Hopefully they don't let this one get as nasty, but if they do, I'll be back someday.